As an added feature to this electric motor repair channel, subscribers are entitled to special discounts. When purchasing electric motor repair books, the books can be purchased directly from our website, twmmediaservices.com. Subscribers to this channel receive a 25% discount on orders. Stripping coils from an AC stator and a DC armature. Burning and removing AC stator windings. The stripping process has to be done using the least amount of heat to the laminated core. No more than 700 degrees F0 or 370 degrees C. Using a torch as shown in the video is not having much control over the temperature of the laminated core or casting that the core sits in. The laminated core may have hot spots on it where the interlaminar insulation is being overheated and destroyed. The stator core itself may expand and break the welds holding it in place or bust the casting itself. The burnout should be done in a controlled temperature burnout oven at a temperature of no more than 700 degrees F or 370 degrees C. Controlled burn-off oven features automatic controls regulated by the temperature of the stator core, safety, and economically strip stators without any damage to aluminum or T or U frames. Stators come out clean and ready to remove the coils from the stator core. As an alternative to a burnout oven, the windings can also be removed from a stator core by manually stripping copper from the slots. This can be difficult at times, but if done right will not damage the laminated core. In this video the end turns are removed from the stator core using a chisel and hammer. Care must be taken so that the laminations are not scuffed by the tip of the chisel. Once the old copper end turns are removed, a steel punch, designed to suit the slot, is inserted to drive the remaining coils out from the stator core. Do not damage the slots. The punch is inserted into each slot successively, one slot at a time and following the pitch of each coil. If the pitch is 1 to 10, start in the 1 slot and punch, then move to the 10th slot coil, pitch and punch. Repeat. The coils are slowly driven out of each slot, one at a time. Ensure that all the required data is taken before stripping. The slots are now ready to be dry clean. Remove any burnt material from the slots. Remove any burrs and straighten bent laminations. Once clean, it is given a coat of red insulating lacquer. Burning armature windings. Burning and removing armature windings without excessive heat can be challenging. The armature core cannot be overheated, resulting in insulation damaged between the laminations. Once the core is heated to the allowable temperature, the coils are removed. Once the coils are removed, the slots are clean using a small torch. Refer to Textbook 4 for more information. Caution has to be used when doing this. Learn electric motor inspection and testing techniques. Introducing a new edition of Electric Motor Inspection and Testing Technical Handbook, which covers motors from 1/4 horsepower to over 5,000. Topics covers the inspecting and testing of the insulation system, checking the continuity and measuring the resistances of the windings. It recommends the acceptable allowable readings and values associated with test results. Surge testing and high potting, both AC and DC windings. Also give tips and techniques of how to test run AC motors, outlining what the no load amperes, the temperature limits of the bearing. The motors can range in horsepower from hundreds to thousands, including synchronous, vertical, and other specially designed motors. Servo motors and encoders, resolvers, and tachometers, commutators and commutation issues, including slip rings, and permanent magnet direct current motors. Medium and large size direct current motors, with field coils, and armatures are clearly covered within the material. Core loss testing, of both AC rotors, and DC armatures are also discussed. Preforming, a core loss test on AC motor cores. Various types of AC rotors are also discussed within the material covered. Tech Book Number 1, Inspection and Testing of AC and DC Electric Motors. 223 pages of inspection and testing procedures, used in most repair shops today, plus tips and techniques information sheets. Tech Book Number 2, AC Electric Motor Repair, 230 pages of electric motor repair procedures and techniques, plus tips and techniques, information sheets. Tech Book Number 3, DC Electric Motor Repair, 215 pages of DC electric motor repair procedures and techniques, plus tips and techniques information sheets. Tech Book Number 4, Armature Winding and Repair, 206 pages of mush coil and form coil, armature winding and repair procedures, plus tips and techniques information sheets. Tech Book Number 5, AC 3-phase electric motor winding procedures. The book has 228 pages of technical procedures for rewinding random and form coil motors. It also includes tips and techniques associated with winding, testing of mush and form coil rotors. The books are also available in PDF format, on DVD. The series also has 2 different DVDs titled Electric Motor Repair Disc 1. It covers both AC and DC motors. The second DVD, Electric Motor Repair Disc 2. It covers overhauling large DC motors. The books and DVDs can be purchased online through Amazon.ca. For more information, go to our website at twmmediaservices.com or email us at twmenterprises@rogers.com.